Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we are going to show you how to add page number from a specific page in Word. It is pretty easy and this can come handy to you in any sort of situation. So let's get into the video. Once you're in your file, in your Word, go to, suppose you want to add your page number from this page or the third page, and you don't know how to. Let me just show you the paragraphs that are starting here. Here you can see there are no page breaks or section breaks. So for marking a page with a specific page number, we have to make a section break in that specific page or before that specific page. So suppose we want to add this paragraph from here, and we want our page number to start from the third page. So for that, click on here and go to insert, go to page layout and click on breaks. Here you can see under section break there is an option next page. It will create a section break with a next page, and click on next page, and you can see section break is created in here, and it is currently our third page, and we want to start our page number from this third page. So for that, go to, as you have already made section breaks, let me tell you its benefits. It will let you edit your sections individually. Like, let me show you. If you go to header and footer section, suppose if you double click, here you can see in the footer section, we can see the first two pages are marked section 1, and from the third page it is marked section 2, and section 2. It means our document is divided in two sections right now, and we can edit our sections individually. If I write something in section 2, let me show you. If I write page, you can see as these three are in section 1, each of them are showing page in the header section. But if I go up, you can see in the section 1, it is already showing page, the word page I have just written. You might ask me why it is contradictory, right? Because I just said I will be able to edit those sections individually. Because as you can see, there is option same as previous is currently on. That's why I can't edit our sections individually. To edit our sections individually, we just have to turn off this link to previous, and once I turn it off, you can see it is gone. And if I write, now let me just turn off paragraph icon and head over to the design section, and as you can see, if I write page now, only the pages in section 2 shows the word page in their header section, and the section 1 doesn't show, it is blank. Now it is ready to mark as page number 1, and go to insert. Here you can see an option, page number in the header and footer section. Click on it. I want to add my page number at the top of the page, and choosing this one. and as you can see, it is showing page number 3. For that, we have to format the page numbers. Go to page number and click on format page number. Here, go to change it to start at, and it is already starting at 1, and click on OK. Voila! Now your pages are starting from 1, 2, 3 from the page number 3. But our first two in the first section, there are no page numbers, and we have successfully added page number in a specific page or a third page. So it was pretty easy. If you follow these steps, I hope you can make it too. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section, and we will see you in the next video.